In this video, I'll show you how to install and start using the Webvizio Chrome extension to provide website feedback and report bugs right from the web pages you're working on. First, open the email you received that includes the invitation to join the project, and then click on Go to Project. Or visit app.webvizio.com/register to be redirected to our registration page. Make sure you're in the Sign Up tab before proceeding. Enter the email that was used by the inviter to add you to the Webvizio project. Create a strong and secure password. Check the box to agree to our terms of service. Click Join Webvizio. You will be redirected to the main Webvizio dashboard where you'll see the web project you've been invited to. Next, go to the Chrome Web Store in your Chrome browser. In the search bar, type Webvizio. On our extension page, click the Install button. A confirmation box will appear. Click Add Extension. For quick access, we recommend pinning the extension. Click the jigsaw puzzle icon at the top right of your browser and then click the pin icon next to Webvizio. Click Connect. Now, navigate to any website or web application you want to collaborate on. Click on the Webvizio logo in your toolbar to ensure that your extension is connected to the web project. To create your first task, click the Create button in the Webvizio widget that appears on the right. Then click on the element that requires changes, in our case, to report that this button is not working. Add a title for the task by briefly describing the problem. Optionally, you can add any additional information in the description field or indicate the priority for this task. Click Create. All set. Now you can go to the task to see the newly created task and all the technical details attached for developers. By clicking on the All Tasks link, you can view all tasks related to this web project. That's all. Welcome aboard!